Let's take this example. So today we will print this pattern, a left aligned triangle containing numbers. In the first row it has 1, in the second row it has 1 and 2, in the third row 1 2 3, in the fourth row 1 2 3 4, and in the fifth row 1 2 3 4 5. So you guys might be thinking right now that we have done this kind of pattern because it resembles the same left aligned pattern which we done in the previous video, but that video contains star pattern, but this one is containing number pattern. So if you all are right now thinking this, then you all are absolutely correct. But why we need to print numbers, as it resembles the numbers only, so it's okay, pretty fine. But actually we are using the looping variables instead of number, because we cannot print system.out.print 1, system.out.print 1 2, so we will not do like that. So we will instead print the looping variables as this pattern is in a loop we discussed in the previous lecture. So let's continue. It's 1 to 5 because you may see like it's pretty fine to explain that, so I am not explaining once again that thing. And it's 1 to I because we need 1 and 2 when I is 2, so when j is 1, so j equals to 1 and 2. When I is 3 and j is 1 again, so 1 2 3, similarly. And here we are using print j because we need to print all the numbers from 1 to 5 in the fifth row, and in the fourth row we need to print from 1 to 4, and that's all. So let's check the output once again, just clearing it out. So it's done. So let's check two things which are coming in your mind, I know. So why not I instead of j? So let's check what happens if we use I instead of j. See, as the value of I is constant, it will not change. In third row it will remain 3, it will not become 1 2 3. To make it 1 2 3 we need j, because j is constantly changing its value from 1 to I in each and every row, as j simply resembles the columns. Another error which we might be doing is that writing here it as print ln, a pretty easy error for all. Actually, so we may think 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 in respective lines, and to print it in a single line. So let's do that also. For that we need this. We may input errors in several ways. Just change the code and enjoy the errors. And by creating errors, you will learn how to code. So see 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. It's pretty fun to do errors. Let's see whether we can make one more error or not. See, there are no spaces in this one, in this error 1 1 2 in all continuously, but in that one there was previously spaces. So that's all. So thank you guys, that's all for this video.